What's going on? What the heck? Hello, Birds, Birdie. First episode, you beat me one shot. Not anymore. I am invincible. Hang on, let me get my cigarette weapon and put it on my show. Here it is, my birdies. It is the Chaos Emerald. Right here. I have my powerful structure. Not really. Boss battle! Fat pig again. Oh, man. Holy moly. Ha ha. Ow. 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 Ah, my goodness, he's powerful. Oink! Alright. Oh, darn it. Chaos! Oh, hey guys, you need help? Hey, it's those Mixels. Where are they going? Ep4 Richard. Oh, so painful. Everything. Where is it? Oh, darn my headband. Got it. Oops, hang on. Yeah, got it. Ow, darn it. Oink! Oink! Oink, 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 oink. Oh, darn it, it hurts. Stop farting. You know what? Oh, that's it. I'm gonna end you with my superpower fart, baby. Ha ha ha, now I'm the most powerful man, pig ever. Oh really? But orange bird, right? Yeah. Yeah. Huh, yeah. Ow, that hurt. Ow. How dare you? Ow. Oink. Ow, ow. Alright, prepare to be destroyed. How dare you? Yeah. Oh. Oink! Please do. Oh, what the heck? Man, you guys are too powerful. Hey, now. Oink! Thank you. We will keep this chaos. Is that okay? Yeah. Plus because you seen some police decorations with me. No, because I want police. Police. Yes, it's what news, dude. Alright, next boss battle. Okay, yay. Whee!